Photosynthesis. How does photosynthesis occur and what is its role in maintaining the balance of gases in the atmosphere? Photosynthesis is a chemical process that plants use to create glucose from sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis takes place in leaves, within specialized structures called chloroplasts. Inside chloroplasts are chlorophyll, green photosynthetic pigment whose job is to absorb sunlight. Think about it. Do you think the rate of photosynthesis in a variegated leaf, as shown here, is as effective as it would be if it were entirely green? Reactants. The reactants of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. Products. Its products are oxygen and glucose. Chlorophyll and sunlight are neither reactants nor products. They are not used up or created in the process. Given all the information, can you write a word equation for photosynthesis? Reactants carbon dioxide and water in the presence chlorophyll and sunlight gives products oxygen and glucose. Photosynthesis is a process that allows energy, in a usable form, to be taken in on Earth. Without photosynthesis, there would be no primary source of energy from any life forms on Earth. The current balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained by photosynthesis carried out by green plants and other photosynthetic organisms and produces oxygen. Respiration carried out by animals and other respiring organisms and produces carbon dioxide. What happens to this delicate balance if we continue cutting down trees? A recap. Photosynthesis is a conversion of light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. For photosynthesis to occur, carbon dioxide and water are required. These are reactants. Photosynthesis produces oxygen and glucose, hence these are called products. How might changing atmospheric carbon dioxide levels affect the rate of photosynthesis?
Thank you for watching Kids Wonderland Zone. Watch for more exciting educational and informative videos.